So we're now going to look at the first steps after installing Linux Mint. So once you've installed Linux Mint and restarted, log back in with your user account, and then you'll be greeted by the welcome screen. First thing you need to do is connect up to your internet connection, so either wired or wireless. If you have got a wireless adapter, it will show your access points. So select the access point and enter your password. Once it's connected, go back to the welcome screen. So on the left hand side you've got first steps. So first steps is really handy. Breaks it down to different sections. You've got system snapshots, which we usually use for backups. You've got driver manager if you need additional drivers. You've also got multimedia codexes. If a video's not playing, you might need a certain codex. You've got a really good option to select this launch on Update Manager. So Update Manager is like Windows Update. So just do a check. And we're just going to apply the update for Update Manager and enter your password. And click Authenticate. So just run the update. Let's just installing the software now. There we go. It's just pulled through a list of updates. An option we're going to change though before we do the install of the updates is, do you want to switch to a local mirror? So we're going to click yes, enter your password again, click Authenticate, and as you can see it's pulling updates from America at the minute. So we're going to switch that to UK Fast in Great Britain because that's our nearest location. Click OK, and then click OK again. And there we go, it's just updating the cache. And then we'll just close that with a little X in the right hand corner, and then we'll do install updates. Okay, so just doing that, and then you enter your Linux password, Authenticate, and then it'll start the process from downloading, and then it'll start the updates. I'm going to speed this part up now because it will take a bit of time to do. So I'll be back once that's completed. So welcome back, and the updates are just finishing off now. As you can see, it's just installing the last few bits and bobs, configuring. So once the updates are complete, we'll go back to the welcome screen and we'll show you a few more things. So just wait for this to complete and we'll do that. It's taking its time. But it's so critical really to do this when you've just built the machine. And it's just finished off now. Yeah, it's really critical to do this to make sure you're up to date with the latest versions. So it's saying the system's up to date, so we're back to the welcome screen now. We're going to scroll down a bit further. So you've got the desktop layout, so you've got traditional or modern that you can choose. You've also got system settings, we're just going to go into that now. Just to give you a quick overview. So the type of things you can look at here, you can change the background, change the fonts, the themes, accessibility. You can also add additional accounts on if need be, date and time. I'll just close that down. So these settings in there. Just go further down. Really good one, Software Manager. Click on Launch. Really good tool. It'll just generate the cache. So Software Manager is for any new software that you're looking to install. So as you can see, there's a few choices there. You've got Minecraft, WhatsApp, Google Earth, and Spotify. With the growth of Linux Mint and Linux as a whole, it seems like companies are actually coding the software for Linux as well now. So as you can see, Spotify, very mainstream. So we'll just install Spotify now. Continue, and you will need to enter your password and do Authenticate. So it's yeah, it's really come on over the past few years, Linux as a whole. And when I first started using it, it was all command based. So now they've really improved the actual user interface and also the actual software that they actually include with it out the box is brilliant. You got like LibreOffice, which is the equivalent of like Office, Microsoft Office, should I say, which has got like Word, Excel, so various, pretty much mirrors it. It's very good that it comes free. So yeah, that's just finishing. Spotify's just finishing off installing now. And you just do the X in the top corner. So we go to the start menu, and we type in the search box Spotify. As you can see, there's Spotify there, all installed, so you can use that and listen to your music. Go back to the welcome screen now. We can look at documentation, new features, release notes. There's also help, so you got the web forums, the IRC chat room, and we just close that off now, and we'll go to the start menu. So as you can see, it's various subsections, accessories. You've got graphics programs that you could use. You've got the internet, so you've got Firefox. There's a version of Google Chrome actually that you could use. You've also got Office, which is the equivalent of Microsoft Office, so Calc, Draw. Sound and video, Spotify's in there. Your admin section, which we've seen before. Preferences. You've got the quit, which shuts down the computer. You've got log out, and you've also got lock as well.